So I have a bunch of apples in my fridge and I'm going to be using these for juice. I have even more than this, believe it or not. We like to go apple picking and we pick a ton. Pears were on sale at Aldi, so I did get quite a few pears. They're all organic and we're just gonna be using this to juice. I'm also gonna be using other excess produce like our carrots, we have celery, we have some spinach, and I also purchased a watermelon. I know watermelon's not in season, but I love adding it to our juice when I do a fridge dump. So this is basically my fridge dump juice. It's kind of like a fruit punch, but we're just gonna be doing this. I like to do this whenever we have a lot or excess of fruit, and this happens a lot during the summer and fall months. Sometimes in the spring, not as much, but yes, summer and fall. Are you ready to make juice? Let's make juice. Ready? Mommy's gonna put spinach, and then you're gonna put in watermelon. Whoa, that's a big piece. Oh, whoa.
This is a big piece.
2 hands. Whoa.
Whoa, it's juicy.
It is juicy. Mama help?
Yeah.
Boom.
Mm.
Boom. Do you think we can close it?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Good job. Should we turn it on?
Yeah. Looks yummy.
It does look yummy. What color is it?
It's brown.
It's a dark color, right? There it goes. It's gonna chew the carrot.
It's chewing the
You
carrot.
wanna put some celery in?
I'm gonna put some celery.
Carrot. Another celery?
I love celery.
I love celery too.
I love apples. See that? It's something good.
Yeah. Wanna put more carrot?
Yeah.
It's chewing all the carrots now.
Yeah, chewing on.
Mmm. Wanna put cucumber?
Oh yeah. But I don't like this one.
Oh, that might be a little too small. We may have to open the hopper now. What do you think? Oh, actually, it does fit. But let's open it. Actually, once this is all done, we're gonna open it up and put a whole bunch more.
Oh yeah.
Good idea, right?
That looks yummy.
You wanna eat that?
No.
Usually I would bake with it, but we've got a lot of variety in here, like watermelon, which is a little tricky. It's almost all done. Ready? Now let's do all this. Let's get all the watermelon in first, okay? Can you get all that watermelon in? And then I think I'm gonna dump this because this is little pieces. When we have some juice, we might as well just pour that in there.
I'll drink the juice.
You're gonna.
But in
Oh, in there?
Yeah.
Sorry, I dumped it already, bud, but it's gonna be delicious juice in here. Whoa. You think we can close it?
Yeah.
Oh boy, let's see. Show me if you can close it. Careful. Good job. Good job, bud. Looks like we're gonna have to dump that into a container.
Mom?
Yeah, Bear? Now we have a bunch of apples, some pear, the rest of the cucumber, and a little bit of celery left. I'm just gonna open it. And it's gonna turn off.
Have this.
You wanna eat that?
No.
Here, let's put it all in.
Have this in here.
And I do cut the cores out of the apple. Does that smell good?
Yeah.
Refreshing.
I touched
Right?
this.
That's okay. It smells refreshing, right?
Yeah. Want to smell this?
Mmm, it smells so good.
Can I smell an apple?
Yeah, you can smell an apple. Here, put a little bit more in. I think that's about it. Perfect. It's chewing the apple for you?
Yeah.
And making you juice?
Yeah.
It's making you juice, right?
Yeah. I'm slumming my feet because I already get slumming my feet.
Excited for the juice?
Yeah.
Look, what color is the juice now? Red, pinkish red, right? Like a ruby.
Mom, I'm waiting.
You're impatient, you want that juice now, right?
Yeah.
I hope it's almost done. We're all done with the spinach. I put 2 big handfuls in there, right?
Yeah. Let's close it now. Guys, this is the video. Oh. Like too much. Oops.
Wait, you gotta let it cook. Oh, you wanna put them all in? You wanna put the rest in?
Yeah.
I'm sure you could fit it. This is the big hopper.
I think I'll fit.
We've got the large one. The large hopper. Shut it up. There you go.
I did floss.
Yeah, you did.
Like, boom, big. When are you gonna juice again? Are you tomorrow gonna juice?
We juice all the time, right? You like juicing?
Yeah,
Why?
because I like to.
Is it because you like to drink it, or is it because it's fun? Although we did juice a lot today, so I don't think we'll juice tomorrow.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Here, actually, we'll watch this. I'm going to pour it again.
This one? The sink one? On your sink?
Yep. Thank you, bud. Yep. Want to turn it back on?
Oh,
Do you know how? Turn it towards you. Towards you. Good job.
yeah. It's a
Oh, you got to open it back up. Remember, we had to close it so we could drip. No, 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 not that. Let the juice out. Good job. There you go. Nope, keep it open
Why?
so the juice can come out, because otherwise the juice will get all stuck. Thank you.
Oh, so
Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of juice.
I'm smelling it. I'm smelling it, Mom.
How does it smell?
It's like yummy.
It smells yummy.
It smells like pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay, stir it up. Mix and mix and mix it up. Mix and mix it all around.
Down here. Now. Now. I chew it.
Does it taste good? Can Mama try? Let me try.
Do you chew it? Do you chew it?
That tastes really good. I did. Do you like it? Good drinking, bud.
I chewed it.
Oh, careful. You could take the rest, okay?
Okay.
And if you want more, Mama will give you more. I'm gonna put all these in the freezer though.
And then I chew it.
Oh, did you just swallow it? You want more?
Now it's too much.